Well, the finish I had on this tank was bugging me kind of. It was orange peeled, and I wanted to see if I could do better. And the short answer is not really. I gave it a try, but so this time, instead of getting it on a little bit on the thin side, I put it on a little on the thick side and got some runs, and then some stuff got stuck in the paint, and the more I fiddled with it, the worse it started looking, so I decided to stop fiddling with it. So I got a little something there going on. I don't know what that is. Got some runs on this side and some runs on the other side. But you know what? It still doesn't look all that glossy even now. So anyway, but yeah, I'm finished with the painting anyway. I'm ready to put gasoline in this thing and take it for a test ride. Got a little bit more to do, but I'll put those little stickers on the side, you know. Before I get my greasy hands all over the tank, I want to put those stickers on. Okay, I finally got the cover plates are back on. They're clear coated. The tank badges on. The tank I turtle waxed. I also waxed I am going to have to replace that battery though. It seems okay in the short term, but the problem is that last cell keeps going dry for some reason. I can't find a leak or crack or anything, but it keeps going dry anyway. So yeah, that's going to be replaced at some point. The fuel valve is working okay-ish. When it's on prime or reserve, the fuel flows freely. When it's in the on position like it is now, it slows down to a very slow drip. It should be off, but yeah, it's a very slow drip. And this is a really thick hose. It's 5/16 inner diameter, but the exterior diameter is just too big. I'm gonna have to find a thinner hose, but not as thin as the clear one, because that one was so thin it just kinked whenever you tried to move it. I actually got it to start 2 days ago when I put this together, or was it yesterday? No, it was 2 days ago, and it ran okay. It doesn't have the exhaust pipe on, so I think something about not having enough back pressure may have been messing things up. I will worry about that when I put the muffler back on and see if it clears that up or if it's still running weird. But happy with the gas tank. I'm happy with side covers, and I'm happy with the engine, the motor, the gearbox side covers. It's been a while, but here's an update on the motorcycle. As soon as I got a little bit of gasoline on the side of the tank, paint melted. So, oh well. It looked nice for, you know, a few minutes. I got the throttle cables hooked back up, except now I'm having an issue with the throttle being stuck. It's not stuck at the carburetor, and I can't find anything wrong with the cables, and it doesn't seem to be stuck up inside here, but when you put all three together it's stuck. So I'm stuck too. I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's starting to get pretty easy to start. and I'm getting more used to the compression. I found out once you put the gas tank back on, you can't actually see the indicator, the kick indicator, so that's interesting, but I'm starting to figure out how to kick it without needing the indicator. Anyway, got the muffler back on, which incidentally somehow makes the engine run a lot better. I guess it just needs that back pressure. I don't really understand the fluid dynamics of this stuff, but apparently that's a thing. Oh, what else? Oh, so now that it runs, I tried shifting. It shifts great. However, the clutch doesn't seem to do anything. To tell you the truth, I'm not surprised. My little Honda, the Rebel, the clutch plates kind of stick together after, even if it sits overnight, it wants to stick, and then when you put it in gear, it wants to lurch forward, even with the clutch in, and then all of a sudden it comes loose and everything's fine. Apparently that's a normal thing with the Honda Rebel. I don't know about other motorcycles, but this guy, which has been sitting for, the clutch hasn't been used in 11 years now, so I guess it makes sense that it might be stuck. So I am going to go research how to remove and reinstall the clutch. So the next time I come back, I will probably have the clutch cover open and having all sorts of fun with that part.